Hey,
This is Toby.
Toby and his yoga ball, and he likes to do yoga.
Yeah.
So we're going to show you some yoga. And just telling you, my name's Aspen.
Don't you dare say my name. I love you.
Say your name.
My name is Jenna.
Okay. Do your little yoga ball thing, Toby.
I hate everyone here.
You want to see a real wizard? Let me go.
Don't you dare get him. Don't.
I'm
We're
doing
doing
yoga.
yoga.
Huh?
I'm doing yoga.
You're crazy, Toby.
He's doing exercise on a yoga ball.
Big
Everyone
turkey.
do not judge him. Do yoga. Do yoga, Toby.
Big turkey.
Say, no, don't do that. Don't do that.
Beef jerky. Mm.
Hey, don't block the camera. No.
That's it for today.
Oh, wait. I'm doing yoga now. Oh God, I can't even do it.
I'm still eating beef jerky.
Okay.
Alright.
Listen to the video.
That's it for today.
Wait. Okay. Bless your face. If you sneezed in this video, bless you.
Goodbye.